Hello friends, welcome back to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. My name is Iman. In this video, you're going to learn fast and easy way to apply amazing growth effect to any type of media. Let's check out a preview of the effect we'll be making in this tutorial.
Film Impact is a leading website that offers a wide range of professional video editing plugins for various platforms, including Premiere Pro and After Effects. The website allows users to access a free 30-day legal trial of their plugins, with no limitations or restrictions. During this trial period, users can download and use the plugins to their fullest extent, without any financial commitment. Film Impact just announced a brand new smart tool called Shapeflow. The Shapeflow tool is a game changer that allows you to effortlessly create stunning animations by following the path of any shape in your video. Whether you want to reveal a hand-drawn illustration, grow a tree, or add colored trails to your images, Shapeflow can help you achieve jaw-dropping results with just a click.
Please support my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please support my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.